as the comb goes through your hair. And this top blade, which is called the cutter, that moves backwards and forwards very fast, and that's what cuts off the wool. Now it's very sharp, very noisy, and very, very dangerous. Now this shearing plant is what is used today. It is the modern way of shearing. Being the modern way, it is also the easy way. But it wasn't always that easy. A long time ago in Australia, all the sheep had to be shorn by hand. And this is the tool that was used, and these are called shears. I call them hard work. It was over 100 years ago that these were used. In those days, there's around 70 million sheep in Australia, all had to be shorn by hand. Shearers would work for around 10 hours a day, and in those days, they would shear around 70 to 80 sheep in a day. Today, with the modern equipment, shearers will shear twice that many, around 150 to 200 sheep a day, or sometimes even more. So it's much easier today. And something else that makes it easier for the shearer is this piece of equipment. And this is invented by a shearer who had a bad back. And he couldn't shear sheep anymore. How do you think the shearer got a bad back? Bending down, shearing sheep, of course. Down this position all day. It's a long day, trust me. So what do you think the shearer does with this? We put the sheep in here, make it nice and cosy? No, this is for the shearer. The shearer gets in here, down the shearing position. You'll see the springs working, supporting half my weight and taking a lot of strain off my back. Now I'm going to get a sheep out and show you how to shear. I'm going to hand you over to Wendy and she'll explain the shearing process for you.
When the shearer catches the sheep, the first thing he'll do is turn it upside down very quickly. Because then the sheep is completely under control and it can't get away. And when he starts to shear the sheep, he'll start by removing the belly wool first. And once this belly wool has been shorn off, it is kept separate from the rest of the wool because it requires a different processing. And the reason for this is the sheep that lies down on the bed and it picks up rubbish from the ground, grass, seeds, birds and thistles, which are hard to remove from the wool. And in a commercial shearing shed, there will be more than one shearer, usually 4 or 5 working together. We call this a team of shearers. They'll start work at 7:30 in the morning, they'll work for 2 hours, have a break, work for another 2 hours, and so on for an 8-hour day. Come on to the head now. And when he shears around the sheep's head, he must be very careful of the eyes and the ears. And the neck, it is the most difficult part of the sheep to shear. As you'll see, the handpiece goes underneath the wool and you feel to the skin so you can open out the wool to see where you're going. And in Australia, we shear mainly merino sheep, that is the breed of the sheep. And these merinos, they're very wrinkly, with a lot of loose skin all over their bodies, mainly around the neck. You might like to think of shearing like having your hair cut. It doesn't hurt when you have your hair cut, you look neat and tidy for a while, but your hair soon grows back and you need to have it cut again. Well, it is the same for the sheep, except we only shear them once a year. Now this part of the shearing is called the long blow. A blow being a stroke of the handpiece. And this is the longest blow that you can do on a sheep, from one end of the sheep to the other. So we can get a lot of wool off very quickly when he does the long blow. And a typical sheep farm in Australia will have around 5,000 sheep. And these shearers, they will travel in their teams from one sheep farm to another. Once they arrive at a farm, they stay there till all the sheep have been shorn, and then they move on to the next. side of the sheep is called the whipping side. It's called the whipping side because it is the fastest side to shear. Having already shown off most of the wool, all he needs to do is whip down this last side so he can finish off this sheep and get out another one. And a shearer, he'll be paid around $2.80 for every sheep he shears. And this might not sound like very much, but because he can shear between 150 to 200 sheep in one day, he is earning quite a bit of money. And there we have a lovely clean shorn sheep. Well done, Robert.
And in the wool of sheep there's a natural grease called lanolin, you may have heard. It's a lot of skincare products and ladies' cosmetics. It's very good for your skin. It's also very good for the sheep itself. Immediately after the shearing, the sheep will produce a large amount of lanolin, which will cover its entire body in grease. This will keep the sheep dry and warm. So we can put the sheep back out in the paddock even in the winter time, and they don't suffer at all. When you give the sheep a good hard rub on the freshly cut wool, a good hard rub like this, you'll be able to see the lanolin showing in my hand. See it there, it's quite greasy. So after the show, when the sheep is back in the catching pen, you might like to go in there and give the sheep a rub. Rub it for a long time, rub it all over your face, you'll have lovely soft skin. You'll smell terrible, you'll smell really bad, but your skin will be lovely and soft. Now this pile of wool is called a fleece, and there are workers in a shearing shed called rouseabouts, and they'll pick up the fleece of wool and throw it onto a wool table. Let's go and demonstrate this for you now. So as you can see, the technique of shearing it's all wool off in one piece, just like a big rug. That's very, very important, because all the dirty, greasy wool from under the legs and all the short wool from under their neck, that all goes out to the outside edge of the fleece. So then we can skirt around the fleece and remove this wool. This process is called skirting the fleece. Now this is the back leg here, so you see that greasy, dirty wool on there, we remove that. Then you'll be doing the same on the other side. As you go up along the edge of the fleece, anything that's dirty or greasy, you remove, and then some of the short wool from around the neck. Now the reason we do this is to add value to our main fleece wool, because these pieces that we've removed, they are far less valuable, and these pieces are called pieces. Now this wool is the finest quality wool in the world, and that's what Australia produce. And this wool will be made for men's suits, ladies' jackets and evening dresses, all very fine, expensive articles of clothing. And this is how much wool a sheep produces in 1 year, around 4 to 5 kilos. There's enough wool here to make 3 complete men's suits. If you had to buy those suits, they would cost you over $1,000. Value of this fleece, $20. That's what the farmer gets for fleece of wool. So we take the fleece of wool and we put it into a wool press. This metal box here is a wool press. We'll put 40 or 50 fleeces in here, we'll press it down tight, and that's how we make a bale of wool. Same as these ones over here. Now most of Australia's wool is exported. We export to many different countries. Main one today is, where do you think?